Forms convert anonymous website visitors into real leads. However, form plugins for WordPress are often complex, inflexible, or don't offer the features or interfaces you need. With GREYD.Forms, it's super easy to build and implement forms absolutely flexible and without coding. They even adapt automatically to your website design. GREYD.Forms is a real conversion boost, with all important features and mobile responsive. Pop-ups, messages, thank you pages and emails can be defined with one click in the backend. And with the integrated double opt-in, data protection is no problem at all. Your leads are saved directly in the backend, or you can transfer them automatically to your CRM. Start now and finally design your forms as easy and flexible as it should be.